Hi everyone, my name is Blake Bejarano, and today I'm going to show you how to build and run a basic Streamlit application in the CoCalc platform. You can see I'm at CoCalc.com, and I'm going to head over to my projects. Here I can select the project that I'd like to work inside of or create a new one. I'll click on my first project. And this is a shared file system. If you have a collaborator that you'd like to work with, you can head over to the user panel and add their email address. Then they'll be listed here and have access to the shared workspace with you. Now let's go ahead and create a .py file so we can build this application. So I'll name this basic application.py. Okay, and first things first, I'm going to import Streamlit as st, and I'm going to give this thing a title, so st.title. Let's say hello from Streamlit. Oops. Streamlit, okay. And we can also have just a little introduction, say st-right. This is a basic Streamlit application. Okay. Now I want to collect some information from you. So I want to collect your name. So let's go ahead and say name is equal to, okay, st, I need this to be a text input. So text input. All right, and I'm going to have it ask, what is your name? If name st-right, hello, very nice to meet you. Name, okay. And I also want to know your favorite color, so I'm going to collect that. Maybe I'll name this chosen color. Okay, and I'm going to use a color picker, so st.colorPicker. It's going to say pick your favorite color. I'm going to know all of the things after I run my application. Okay, and I just so happen to know that this is a bright orange color to get the color pickers started on the right note. So let's go ahead and do that. And then I'll do st-right. Your color of choice. Okay. Chosen color. All right. Okay, so a couple last minute things that we can do. We can pick your favorite number. So let's go ahead and do that. So we'll say number. Let's create a slider, st slider. What is your favorite number from 1 to 100? And we'll start at 0, go to 100, and I want the slider to start on my favorite number, 27. Okay, and now we'll use st-right. And we'll say your favorite number is given here. Okay. And now we'll do a date selector and a time selector, and I think that'll probably be good for an example. So let's do selected date equal to st.date input. Please select a date. All right. Then we'll do st_right. You selected. Selected date. All right. And then we'll work smarter and not harder. And we'll do the same thing for selected time. 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 All right. And there we go. And now we have a basic application that I can collect your name. I can have you choose your favorite color, choose your favorite number, and then input a date and a time. And here I'll go ahead and run this application via X11 desktop. So let's go ahead and do that. I'll head back to the File Explorer. And right now I want to create a .x11 file. So to do that, I'll click on the plus new button and I'll name this graphical desktop. All right, here we go. So let's go ahead and call Streamlit. Streamlit run, and then I'll want to run basic application .py. Okay, so here we go, the moment of truth. And here is my basic Streamlit application in X11 desktop on the CoCalc platform. And you can see it says hello from Streamlit. This is a basic Streamlit application. What is your name? Pick your favorite color, your color of choice. It says, what is your favorite number from 1 to 100? Please select a date, select a time. Let me go ahead and fill this out, make sure that everything works. So I'll go ahead and put my name. My name is Blake. I can pick whatever color that I'd like. Maybe I want some kind of blue. Like that. This is my favorite number, so I'll leave that. Maybe I guess I can change it just for fun. I'll choose 3. Okay. And then I can select a date. Let me go ahead and choose a date. Choose my birthday. Great. And then choose the time. All right. It's not very friendly, but I guess that would work. Okay, well, this is just a quick tip and trick on using the CoCalc UI. Today, I've shown how to build a basic Streamlit application using a .py file and then running that .py file from a terminal inside of X11 desktop. You can see the service right here. But please like, subscribe, and follow for more tips and tricks, and I will see you next time. Thanks again.